Worldwide, worldwide.
Damn. 140. Oh, was that N? Yes. Nice. This was the 180 fan challenge. I gotta show you guys something. There is the 180. Let me just get some focus here. So there's the 180, and there is the ceiling fan on high. And what made this challenge extremely hard is, let me show you in the light here. Focus. But anyway, I'm using these 10 gram ultralights. I think I got them at Darts. Yeah, I got them at Darts Corner. 10 grams. Anyway, there's the 180 fan challenge on the 180 Gladiator board. I have the ceiling fan jacked up on high and the floor fan, just because it's like 82 degrees in here. So that's, I don't know, hot, 30 something Celsius. Anyway guys, there's the 180 ceiling fan challenge. Try it out. It's hard. Damn. Mulligan. Oh, went in too. That's what happens when you cheat.